Welcome to CarTechHome channel. Please like this video, click on the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell down below to stay updated every time we post our latest video. Now, let's watch the video.
What causes battery light to come on while driving? If a battery light comes on while driving, it means a serious problem. There are two possible reasons why this problem occurs. Those are faulty alternator or broken alternator belt. The alternator is a device driven by belt connected to the flywheel that is coupled to the engine. The job of the alternator is to provide electrical charge to your car battery, and the battery powers all your car electrical equipment. If something happens to the alternator belt, like if the belt is broken, the alternator will fail. When the alternator fails, there will be no electrical charge given to the battery. Then, if your car electrical equipment will be used continuously, it will eventually drain the battery. And if the battery is drained, the malfunction indicator light, which is a battery symbol on the instrument cluster, will lit to warn you that there is a problem with your car charging system. What to do if this problem occurs? Open the hood of your car and locate the alternator. Check the alternator belt. Check if the belt is broken. If the belt is broken, have it replaced. However, if the alternator belt is not broken, then have a mechanic check the alternator and repair or replace if necessary.